friends, I wanted to show you how awesome this GPT is. I'm really excited about it. It has helped a lot of people already revise their websites and start making more money with conversions pretty instantly without, having to hire an agency or worry about design or anything. It's really more about the words on your website. That's really going to help people hit that book now button. So I just wanted to show it really fast. This is the bread and butter of the quick booking fix here. So I have this is an example. This is an OwnerRez website from an OwnerRez user. He has taken the time to customize this a lot actually, and it looks really nice, but we ran this through the GPT and it still gave him some ideas to clean up a little bit of this navigation and get a little more precise with amenities and things like that. So all I need to do is copy his domain here, and I already started up the GPT, and all you do is hit this button, say I need some help improving my page, and it's going to ask you just a few things about the domain name, and then you can also upload reviews to it. I'm not going to do that right now, but you can, and then it will actually learn a little more about your ideal renter and things like that and tailor the messaging to that. But I'm going to just go ahead and pop this URL in and watch what it spits out. All right, so it's showing me what's working now and what is possibly holding the home page back a little bit, and suggested fixes for that. Again, it's all wording mostly, some amenities. It'll suggest some icons. Really just streamlining the home page and getting the conversions to happen is really what we want to focus on. So grab the fix, try out the GPT. It knows a lot of stuff. We've trained it on a lot of agency website conversion tools. It's based on the StoryBrand framework. It's also based on a lot of short-term rental knowledge in there as well. So I hope you like it. Please grab it and let me know how it works for you. And we'll see you on the other side. Thanks.